Hi, I'm Shweta Padma. I'm doing my master's in sociology. I'm in my final year. I wanted to continue my career field in sociology itself because I knew that sociology is going to help me a lot, especially when it comes to understanding the societal issues and how I can be there for people who actually need me, and understanding the social issues from a sociological perspective, because people have that layman perspective of how things work in the society, but I wanted a deeper understanding so that I could actually solve the real world problems. And when I joined KIIT, it actually helped me a lot because we have gotten the exposure for field works. We have done different kinds of assignments, ABLs, presentations or seminars, and people from different countries and different states and universities have also come here to give their lectures, and we have also gotten a lot of opportunities to interact with international students as well. And in that way, I got an opportunity to actually learn things from different perspectives, and in that way it has actually helped me a lot in KIIT.